Hello, Paul McHugh with Rayo Cook Heating and Air. We wanted to take a few minutes and go through air conditioning coil cleaning. With your air conditioning system, we simply move heat. When it's about 100 degrees outside, that outside heat wants to make it into your house. Your AC system simply absorbs that heat and moves it back outside, therefore maintaining a cool temperature inside. There are two air conditioning coils in any home's air conditioning system that makes this possible. An indoor coil, otherwise known as an evaporator coil, and an outdoor coil, otherwise known as a condenser coil. Let's talk about the condenser coil, or otherwise known as the outdoor coil. This coil is what allows us to get rid of the heat that we have captured from the inside through your evaporator coil. Your condenser coil is located at your outdoor unit and may or may not be behind protective panels. Your outdoor fan moves air through your outdoor coil. On a warm day, if you have ever put your hand over the top of your outdoor fan, you would notice that that air is very hot. That hot air represents the heat that you are moving from inside and relocating to outside where we don't care about it. This transfer of heat happens through your condenser coil. A dirty outdoor coil will cause a few problems with the operation of your air conditioning system. Your AC unit will run longer and work harder to get rid of the heat that we have absorbed from inside your home. A dirty outdoor coil will also cause your compressor to work much harder under higher pressures. The compressor is the heart of the air conditioner and is one of those parts that is the most expensive to replace should it fail. Compressors can cost up to $4,500 to replace. Allowing a compressor to operate and run prolonged periods under high pressure situations due to a dirty outdoor coil will only shorten its life. Additionally, a higher utility bill is a result of a compressor that is operating under higher pressures due to a dirty outdoor coil. Although an air conditioning system will work and function with dirty outdoor coils, efficiency and life expectancy will suffer. Your Rayo Cook technician will clean your outdoor coil with an approved cleaner that will not harm your coil. Disassembly of your outdoor AC unit could be required in order to clean this coil correctly and efficiently. At no time should any individual try and clean their outdoor coil if they are not trained in this process. High voltage electricity is present and injury or death could occur. This is one of those items that should be left up to the professionals. Additionally, the fins on many outdoor coils are very fragile and can be damaged by the incorrect stream of water being sprayed on it. In some instances, damage cannot be reversed and the entire outdoor coil would need to be replaced. All outdoor coils are specific to the manufacturer of the equipment and can become quite costly. Okay, so we'll take a look at a 2-year-old AC unit, check its coil, and go through cleaning the coil if we need to. So we'll go ahead and pop some panels off. This is the panels that we're talking about, where you may not be able to see the coil because it's behind this protective panel. And we'll get one of these panels off and take a look and see what we see. Okay, so we've got the first panel off and we can clearly see the dirt and debris that's in this side of the coil that is restricting the airflow through the fins of the coil on this side of the unit. Okay, we've got the second side of the system opened up and we can clearly see it's no better. Might be a little bit worse on this side. The coil has started to become impacted and is restricting airflow because of the dirt and debris in the coil. Okay, so we've got another panel off and this is up next to the wall of the house and we can see it's impacted as well. In fact, we've got some cottonwood seeds that are starting to get into the coil there, and we're going to go ahead and pull the remaining panels, the top off, and clean this unit. The unit is disassembled. This is the part to leave up to the professionals. You can damage your unit by doing this incorrectly, and this unit is under high voltage, which can cause injury or death. So we've completed the cleaning and we can clearly see that the dirt and debris on the coils are now gone. When we go down inside the unit and look from the inside out, we can see daylight, which tells us air can pass through those coil fins and allow the air to be in contact with the tubing, which is where we're going to release the heat. Units packed together, ready to go, clean, efficient, and reliable, ready for for the Sacramento summer heat.